In this section of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to use the Copilot function, which is included with Microsoft operating system. If I want to access the Copilot feature, there is an icon in the taskbar. So we have the icon here in the taskbar. If I open this particular icon, the Copilot, which is AI based application, it gets opened. It gives me a prompt wherein I'll be able to input my question, and Copilot, which is an artificial intelligence tool, it is going to give me the answers for my questions. I will ask simple question: who is the founder of Microsoft? Now the artificial intelligence tool is going to give me the answer. If I want to get some specific answer, if I want to uninstall application, uninstall applications in Windows 11, so it is giving me some answers, and we have method 1, method 2, method 3. So we have 3 methods using which we will be able to uninstall the application. So based on method 2, if I select the Windows logo key on my keyboard and I key on my keyboard, I should be able to see the settings panel opened. I have selected both the keys and I can see the settings panel opened. If I click on apps, and I'll be able to uninstall the application from here. So not all the answers will be proper from the artificial intelligence tool. You need to verify and validate the answers which are given by the artificial intelligence tool like Copilot or ChatGPT. Within the Microsoft Edge application, there is a Copilot integrated. There is a plugin which is integrated with Microsoft Edge application. We can see this Copilot in the sidebar. If I want to open the Copilot within the Microsoft Edge, now I'll get to see the prompt. Here I'll be able to ask question. I will ask link to download the drivers for HP ProBook 440. Basically, I am asking to give me the link for the drivers which I can download for HP ProBook 440. Links for downloading drivers for HP ProBook 440. Yeah, we have the links here. If I click on the links, we will be able to go to the HP website to download the drivers. It is very easy to find out the answers for any of your specific question. If the Copilot is not able to give the answer, or if the answer is not correct, you need to verify the answers. So basically, whenever you are asking question for artificial intelligence tool like ChatGPT or Copilot, you need to ask the question in a right way to get the right information from the artificial intelligence tool. These artificial intelligence tool are basically learning from different sources how they have been programmed, and these information are stored in certain repository from where it is going to fetch and give it to the user who has asked the question. Now I can even ask to summarize the Sun Microsystem company. So basically, I am asking the question to summarize the Sun Microsystem company, which is now taken over by Oracle. So we can see it has summarized and given me the information about Sun Microsystems. So this way we will be able to ask question to the Copilot, any specific question. If you wanted to ask, you can ask and get the answer from the Copilot. This was a short overview about Copilot tool. I will see you in the next topic.